Hi, Mark and Paula here at Physical of Eversville. I've got one more exercise to show you to go along with Paula's progression. Now, a couple months ago when Paula came in, I gave her some other exercises that were easier for her starting off with that she could tolerate. She has made good progress because when she first came in here, these exercises that I'm showing now, she could not do. So she has taken her time, she's done what she's supposed to do, and she's making good progress. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. You have to stay consistent with it. So the third exercise we're going to do, we're going to, again, because a lot of things are done on one leg. So we want to keep working on that. So this time, I'm going to, again, using our kitchen sink. Paula's going to hold on to the kitchen sink. We're going to practice going a side-to-side movement because that's a great way to help start strengthening glutes on the side of her body. So what she will do, she'll hold on here. She's going to weight bear on her left leg and just come out with her right and toe touch and come back. Then she'll do the opposite leg. So 95% of the weight is on that standing leg. She's just using this as a rudder and just to come out here, hit a target and back. What she will progress to, not touching. Just taking the foot out there without touching. And then finally she'll progress to doing all the reps on the same side first and then the other. So this is a great way to start introducing a little bit more hip strengthening. If you have further questions, contact us at physicaleveversville.com.